little different view. I am back to Howe Street. Sure looks pretty. Look at this. Look at the seawall. Tell you, Operation Get the Sand Back. Look at that house. That right there was my favorite house in Bayhead. This one, I don't think fared too well. Oh boy. I've never seen all these pilings. I mean, nobody's ever seen them. So I guess this is what it's going to look like once they get the sand back over the rock wall. Unbelievable. Look at that house. Oh. God, it actually looks tropical today. God. Oh yeah.